nga tugezeko mbadafa ba Comedy Store. Comedy Store omukulu Alex Muhangi n'omukulu Bebe bavayo ne batabika abutabuka bubi nnyo olw'ensonga nti omukulu Bebe bali bamulanze wiiki ewedde nga alina okuyimba ku Comedy Store olw'ensonga nti yali abanjayo akakadde ate nga y'omu ku bayimbi abaali abanene ekivulu kya munne n'akiyibwa wabula tutegeddeko Alex Muhangi annyonnyodde n'agamba nti ennaku zino Bebe tali mu mawulire kati yali alina okukola bingi nnyo kubanga ennyimba zonna zaafulumizza zikuba ku bisenge kati yali alina okukola ekyo atambulizeeko amawulire bamukoleko amawulire bitambule bwe bityo naye nga Alex Muhangi abadde si musanyufu na Bebe kweru yamukoleddeko amawulire ate n'agaana abantu be agabava mu bitundu ebyenjawulo okujja okuwagira n'ate Bebe bali bateseza $6,000,000 nga omukulu alinawo $5,000,000 n'amugamba kakadde ngenda kakuwa Bebe n'agivuga n'agamba amawulire gatandikira awo ate n'ennyimba nzireeta abantu tebazoogerako wakiri kabanjogereko bwe batyo Alex Muhangi yuno yabinnyonnyola kuba omukulu.
So they request for Rasta. I know Rasta is my boy. I am not the one who makes the phone calls. My guys who do the bookings and production, they make the phone calls. Me, I know Rasta is my boy. I do not call him. I do not text him. I do not say anything to him. So they book Rasta. I've seen guys abusing me on here on the app. Oh, Muhangi, Yamukubiranga one day to go. That's not me. I never called Bebe at all. And I'm saying these things because I want everyone to use this message tomorrow. We're doing the show because my job at Comedy Store is to produce the show. I sit down at Comedy Store and do the production. So as guys perform, there's a schedule. You come at this time. I don't know who talk. My guy talks to the guy who booked me.
Kale Alex Muhangi nga nnyonnyola byonna nga bwe byali agamba Bebe yagaana okuyimba.
He wants to receive all his money before he comes on stage. And my job is to say, why don't you pay him? Pay him all his money. My guys say, sentences to winner. Me, I'm being honest. But we had agreed 6 million. Again, about charging $1 million. We had agreed 6 million. That's what my guy who booked him said, that they had agreed 6 million. So I tell the guys, why don't you pay him? Pay him, he comes and sings. They tell me, we have 5 million. I'm like, that's okay. And in my mind, I'm like, Bebe is my guy. Bebe has performed at Comedy Store like 150 times. So I'm like, no, Bebe Ajakuyimba. So it took like 5 to 10 minutes. You know when you're producing shows like that, because there was a mariachi birthday that we were celebrating. So it took me like 3, 4, 5 minutes. And the guy comes back and tells me, oh, Bebe Agambia's winner. I'm like, why? They say like, "Tuagala million yemweyo."
Nange Bebe ayagala eggulire. Bebe ayagala eggulire mu mbeera yonna oluyimba mwagaano ddukola otya. Kati Bebe omukulu ono bwe yagaana okuyimba ku olw'okusatu. Alex Muhangi n'agenda ku X ye n'ategeeza kati ntegedde lwaki abantu Bebe tebamwagala. Kyekyo kyokka kye yateekawo nga Bebe agaanye okuyimba kubanga yamuttira. Alex Muhangi akyatugamba ku Bebe.
Njagala nkubuulire nti Mutabaazi had 5 million in cash. Ne bangamba Bebe ayagala million emu okuyimba. Then I said, let me send this 1 million to Bebe direct. It went to his phone. I will send you a message of that 1M that went to Bebe phone. So me, when they told me to kubura million, no, this is my boy. Bebe has performed at Comedy Store even without requesting for any money, and he gets paid. Man, send the bwezuba katukamete tusolozeza kugeti. Mbane kashi, siri mwavu.
Aya. Alex Muhangi ne Bebe wano wategeereza nti kituufu yakizudde nti yabadde alina oluyimba lwayita motivation. Abantu bannalutegeera n'olwabaddeyo tebannalutegeera ng'alina okukola kyonna abantu babuuze Bebe ate kiki.
When you host a guy like Rasta, who is my boy, there are people who walk from Masaka to say we are going to Comedy Store to watch Bebe Now, for me to make that tweet, it was hurting me. Bebe knows that I cannot fail to get 10 million. Bebe knows that I cannot fail to get even 20 million. I work so hard. Nizo tunanga faramu maso gamwe. Na ye ninamoko kusente. Bebe at the back of his mind, he knows that Muhangi nsobora kuyimbira bwerere nazimpencha. That is I'm trying to defend myself that 1M that was missing from the cash that he had. That Bebe at the back of his mind. But listen, All I heard is that Rasta wanted to promote his song and wanted talkability so that if he does not perform at Comedy Store, everyone is going to talk about. Because I noticed that every TikToker, every influencer who had the budget from Naguru, where you guys were launching motivation, is coming back to me saying Muhangi had no money. Bro,
Alex Muhangi agamba Bebe Cool abadde mukwano gwe naye ebyo nna bimazeewo.
Bebe Cool has been performing there. Ebyo byagamba mu Bebe Cool yajja nayogera ku URA. He had come because I had given him my money. I know Bebe Cool is a big artist, but I pay him. I am the client, and I will not lose my position as the client. You understand that? So Rasta Owutayimba Comedy Store Zenga Muhangi. We have a show on Wednesday. Today is Monday. We have Irene Tare and they will sing. Me, I'm a businessman. He's talking about motivation. Rasta is talking about motivation. How are you talking about motivation when you reach in the parking lot at the show where there is 800 people who have come to listen to you, and that show is hosted by your friend?
Yebuuza ndi Bebe Cool abadde abantu agezaako bazzaamu essuubi ate atuuse wali abantu abangi nga 8 ate n'agaana okubayimbira ne weebuuza motivation kyendala gyayagala ate okubagamba bamuwadde ssente ye Rasta agamba atya. Rasta sooka otubuulire promotinga luyimba oba
kuba nti however much sometimes abantu oba tusharingira ku masannyalaze ate bakudipo walingira ddala alabye byabaddewo juzi nabeeranga nga nyamba omusajja akaaba omusajja afukamira yevulungula mu ttaka naye nabadde shocked we nalabye omusajja byeyawandiise ku internet Well, basically, this guy always calls me short notice. Then I'm always busy. I don't say that I don't want to perform. I would love to perform to my fans. I knew my program, but I fixed the guy. So we agreed upon a fee. And then I told him, send me the money. But he said he'll pay me when I arrive. Left in the message. I said, okay, what time? So I got there 40 minutes before the time. I stayed outside. I linked with his managers and guys.
Aya. Bebe Cool ng'agamba babadde beebuzaabuza abagamba muleete ne bagezaako ne ku stage okumuyita naye nga tebannasasula. Bebe Cool ye n'agenda.
Usually when I have gigs, I have those special people who will never miss. But what surprised me is this fellow did not even take time to come out, despite all the efforts that I put in. Jukira Nalimva press conference now. Yeah. I don't have a food day organization or call everything. Nae oze ugambi omuntu ni tukiza endio yena asalawo okubeera nga mpeereza buno bukacaca bujja butambula kati. What annoyed me is this. Ani omuntu asobola okusettinga up mu audience nerowooza nti yomubi kati ali ku stage bampita kyokka bakimanyi tebanasa koga settinga up nti mbere ku pressure olwokuba
aya. Bebe Cool n'agaana ate ng'alina oluyimba olupya munaabyogerako ddi. Alex Muhangi bw'abadde annyonnyola akulukusiza n'amaziga agamba Bebe Cool amabanja ge yamusuddemu n'erinnya lye erya Comedy Store.
Ebintu binuma man, ebintu binuma. Into Rasta soro kuja kushow yange natayimba. He's my boy, man. That guy, I've known him for over a long time. He's been in the industry for about 20 years. Even before I became a comedian, I knew Bebe Cool. Bebe Cool naja kushow yange natayimba. Ebintu binuma. It's not about money, no. But because Rasta wants to promote his song Motivation, he will come to Comedy Store and not perform. Senga chava denti cha sente Rasta soro. Rasta is a rich man. It's not about money, man.